How to use Payoff Review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Payoff is a platform that helps consolidate high-interest debt into manageable personal loans, but beginners often make mistakes that limit its benefits. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is applying without knowing your credit score. Most people get this wrong by expecting approval without checking credit. Payoff works best for borrowers with good to excellent credit. Knowing your score avoids wasted applications. Second mistake, ignoring interest rates. You won't believe how many users overlook upper comparisons. Check Payoff's rate versus existing debts to ensure consolidation actually saves money. Third mistake, underestimating monthly payments. The surprising truth is that some loans may have lower interest but longer terms. Make sure the monthly payment fits your budget to avoid falling behind. Fourth mistake, not updating lenders or accounts. Beginners sometimes keep old accounts open, leading to missed payments or duplicate debts. Close paid accounts and update balances for accurate tracking. Finally, failing to automate payments is common. Setting up automatic transfers ensures timely repayment, protects your credit score, and reduces stress. By checking your credit, comparing rates, understanding payments, updating accounts, and automating transfers, you can use Payoff effectively. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and debt consolidation becomes a smooth, cost-saving process.